Hi everyone, this is Miss Sitara from Sparkling Memories. Today what I'm going to demonstrate is cooking some sausage, some eggs, and possibly toasting some bread. In front of you we have the sausage, we have the cheese, we have the different spices, we have the cut up items right here. We have onion, bell peppers, garlic, tomato. Then we have your different spices as far as garlic powder, adobo, garlic, parsley, oregano. And let's go ahead and get started. You want to use a wooden spoon, stir it around a little bit. Make sure you keep your eyes, you're going to do 2 dishes at a time. Because when you see the egg here, that's got to get bubbles already. Okay. You just want to make some nice looking scrambled egg, not the same one from my last video, but a more traditional one that everyone is used to. And try not to have it cook at a high stove. Try to have it at least medium, because high then the food will cook very quickly, and that doesn't necessarily mean it's completely cooked, because it'll be burnt if you actually do that. And that's not what we're going for today. We want cooked food, not burnt food. So sausage, put that in there. All the other nice ingredients as far as the onion, the bell pepper, the tomato. Let those cook for a little while. When it's sticking in the frying pan, that's where you hear that noise. Of course, let's say I want to do the traditional one. This is the egg. It's going to go by very quickly. It doesn't take long to make it all. And try to make it as fluffy as possible. So it's almost done. At this point, you're just going to have it brown. So you want to turn the fire on a little bit more. And add some spices to the sausage and then come back. Hi everyone, we're back. We also have the scrambled egg, the traditional one. Not like my last video where I showed it a little bit different. Not the one you would typically see when you do a scrambled egg. It's more fried. And then you just flip it over. Not too much tossing and turning. Over here, I still have to focus on the sausage, because the sausage might take a little bit longer compared to if you had just do the egg by itself. Because the egg by itself, of course, is going to take a shorter time, especially depends on the type of heat that you have on there. So right in front of you, we have the sausage with the onion, the peppers, and tomatoes. And what we're going to add to this mixture is actually some Worcestershire sauce. Not too much. You just want to do a little bit amount of that, because it has its own flavor. When you put on too much, you get an overbustering, bold flavor, and you want a light flavor and not too much incorporated in it. And we're going to go ahead and take this in here and stir it around a little bit. It is not like you have to cover it down like how you would if you're making something else. And the sausage we use was already fully cooked, so you basically just heating it up and adding all the other things to it. You see it in here? A nice color. And the bell peppers are a little bit larger. You can have them this. You can have them slightly bigger. I had like nice in between, not too big and not too small. This is the egg is already nicely colored, the traditional scramble, not fried. I use butter. Some people prefer margarine, whichever works better, then you just roll it back. As far as the sausage, you just have to make it fry a little bit longer. And at this point, I'm just going to toast the bread and a little butter, and then get golden. Hi everyone, here we have the pan that has in the butter And you're gonna go ahead and put in your toast bread and your honey wheat. Put it in a pot right there. It's the same pan I had in the eggs. That's why you see it looks like that along the sides. And as you over here, we have the sausage that's still cooking. With the sausage, you really don't want to add any kind of salt or adobo to it because the sausage itself already has sodium in it and a good bit of it. And to cut down on all the sodium in your food, you may want to use real garlic and not just garlic powder to give you a nice flavor. See how much different it looks when it's cooked down. Of course, we have the egg already in the plate. The traditional scrambled egg. Now all we do now is just the toast. Just give it some time so that you actually flip over and add more butter and then toast it along. Now hopefully your sausage should be almost done. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fire on this because it's almost finished cooking. Once again, this is the chicken wrap for stuffing onions, the higher half sausage, so onion, bell peppers, garlic, and tomatoes. And I have the scrambled egg and the bread. I'm going to taste some of the bread over here. Come on. Get in with it toasted. I'll go ahead and turn off the sausage. It will look stuff like this when it's completely done. And this is the finished part. We have the scrambled eggs, we have the sausage that we had on earlier, and a couple of slices of toast. And another thing, when you actually do this, you can always use a toaster and not the actual frying pan to toast your bread. As far as the eggs go, I see people making a microwave, but that's not a substitute for actually putting it on the stove. And the stove will get a nice flavor to it, especially depends on if you use a margarine and butter. It always depends on which one's your preference or how the taste may come about. So next time, this is Mrs. Durham from Sparkling Memories. To another broadcasting. Bye-bye.